Alright, to fix not responding screen problem on your CMF phone one, I got several tips for you. First one is we can perform force restart. For that, find your power button on the right side of the phone and volume up button on the left side. Press and hold them together till you can see this power off menu. And from here, you need to tap restart. But if your screen is not responding, we'll need to actually hold those buttons and ignore power off menu. Just continue holding till the screen will be completely turned off like that. And now the phone will turn off and turn on by itself. So it should fix your problem. Now make sure your phone is charged. So simply plug in the charger. So you're gonna use this USB Type-C charging cable and plug it into the phone and allow your phone to charge for at least 10 minutes. If you see the charging icon, wait until the charge level reaches at least 5% and then repeat step number 1, which was force restart. So let me show you how it looks. You got this cool animation when your phone is charging, and also on your lock screen you'll see this information charging rapidly. You can also unlock the phone and take a look at this icon on top. You should see this lightning in it, meaning that the phone is currently charging. Also, I got another tip for you, but this is temporary solution if you are out of warranty or the return period has already passed. So make sure that the screen is off and using 2 fingers gently but with pressure go over the screen like that and then repeat on the back panel. It may help to reconnect the internal cables if they are a little loose. And don't use your fingernails for this. Fingertips are better like that. And if your phone is still not working, you may need to take it to an official service center for diagnosis or request repair from the store where this device was purchased, if the warranty is valid, of course. And yeah, that's it for today. If those advices helped, then please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.